bit of sesame oil. Open sesame, a famous phrase from the Arabian Nights, actually refers to an amazing feature of the sesame seed pod, which opens when the pod reaches maturity. Sesame is a flowering plant. It is a drought-resistant and can grow in areas where many other plants can't. It has a rich, nutty flavor. It's used to the world in many cuisines. Sesame seed has one of the highest oil content of any seed. It is also very rich in protein. Women of ancient Babylon used it to promote youth and beauty. And Roman soldiers used it for strength and energy. Sesame oil is rich in beneficial minerals. Those can provide benefit from your skin, your teeth, and your bone. They also support vascular and respiratory health.